This is a dealership here. A Buick dealership. And I have never ever seen the lot so empty. We got a few vehicles here. If you just look at everything here, you see nothing. Just empty, empty, empty. Yeah, go around the other side of it. We're gonna look at this. This is a Buick dealership. We're head over to the, let's see, Sims Buick. So the chip shortage is definitely, I guess, affecting them. And here's the right side over here. You can see no cars. Go down to the Honda dealership. What is happening is a lot of the prices have skyrocketed in parts and everything. If you go to Harbor Freight, don't know if there's a Harbor Freight in your area, but if it is, remember the gloves we're getting here, the nitro gloves. I think the blue ones, they were $7.99 before. Then they went up to they marked the price to $15.99. I don't want to say they went up because somebody is doing it. They marked it up to $15.99. The next thing, see, they marked it up to $25.99. So here's the Honda dealership right there. And you can see right here, that even there is empty. There's a lot there. Empty also. You can see right there, just empty. Kind of back. Let's go to the front. Here's the front. They also used to be full. So Honda is being affected. Don't even know if anybody in there at the moment. All these areas here used to be full of cars. Look at that. Empty. Empty, empty, empty. So that's Honda. Across the street is the Hyundai. And well, they have hardly nothing in there too. We'll go over there and look at theirs. They're right over there. This here was an automotive place here that sold cars. They're empty. Let me see if I can get out of here. How'd I go? Here's the Hyundai. And there's nothing here. I just turned into them. Empty lots there. Everything is spread out towards the edges. All of this is gone. So all of this, again, like I said, it used to be filled. No more. Up, I'm leaving the Hyundai dealership. So I just went to Sims Buick, Honda, and the Hyundai dealership, and everything is like sparse. They don't really have any vehicles there. I don't know how long that's going to last, but it doesn't seem as if it's going to be over with very quickly. Which is the reason why people are buying used cars, and either the dealerships themselves are buying used cars, but like as I said, the prices are high all over and from all the places. This is inflation. I guess people are inflating the price because they don't have nothing to sell, so they want to make sure it makes up for when they don't have anything to sell. I bought a part, as you probably heard from the dealer, and I used to get it for $180, and now they're $350 something for the same part that's on the shelf. So now I see why. They got to make up for what they don't have any type of way they can. So I'm expecting all the parts that they have to sell are going to be very expensive. How long this will be sustained, or how sustainable is this, don't know. I don't know. I think pretty soon, though, people are going to be paying more attention to their house, because a lot of people are going to be, a lot of houses probably are going to flood the market pretty soon because of the moratorium that is going to be lifted. You know, there were a lot of people that weren't paying the landlords. At least I know one person who owned 14 houses. Only 4 people were paying during the pandemic, and the other 10 weren't. So I know he's ready to throw him out the house, but he couldn't do anything until the moratorium is lifted. I think it's over December sometime, maybe the beginning of December, which this is now December to the 11th. So I don't know if it's over yet or it's the end of December. But what's going to happen is the people who own the homes. The landlords themselves, they got the mortgages to pay. If they throw people out the house, they won't have any mortgage. They can't pay the mortgage. In fact, a lot of them probably didn't have to pay the anyway, and you had to make a deal, and they need people in those houses. So I don't know how that's going to work. I think there's going to be a flood of foreclosures, and when the foreclosures come, then you will see a lot of houses on the market. Yep. But that's what I had to do. I wanted to see what the dealerships were doing, and seemed like they're not doing too well. So, how is it doing in your neck of the woods? Do you have any car dealerships there where it seems like it's empty? If it's empty, and you see them empty, then hey, you know that this situation with the chip shortage is real. I guess anything that needs chips. All right, see y'all later.